So that's what happened, you know. I forgot. I forgot. Oh, yeah, my this is why when I was, you know, when you were little, huh? When you were little, your grandparents will tell you, what would you like to be if you go older, you know, what would you like to be? I always stuck in my mind, I don't want to work. I do not want to work. So how you gonna manage to support yourself, Mabel? If the guy will love me, he will do anything for me. Ah, okay. Is that like your granda? And I said, yeah. But what you gonna do? I'm gonna go, Grandma, I'm gonna get married with a American soldier. And Grandma said, oh, why? Because I want to get married with American soldier. This is when I was little, huh? It's stuck in my head. And Grandma said, ah, okay, you know why, Mabel? And I said, why? You know why you dream about this, marrying with a American soldier? Of course you can. I said, you know why, Mabel, why you wanting to get married American soldier? Because of your dad is a US Marine. And I said, oh, that's right. Okay. So that's what happened, and that's why I always wanted to, you know, but it never works that way, is it? Never works that way. You know, oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Speaking with the devil. Yeah, hands ako imo kamera. Oh, gaistorya gani ako ng kuan. Gaistorya ako
Bitaw
ng
ako. Dadad, dadad ka dyan.